Make a great choice today with the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, power windows, electronic stability control, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.